A tractor-trailer truck carrying scrap metal overturned on Southbridge Street near Kendig Street Monday morning, shutting down traffic in the area for more than 4 hours. The driver appeared unhurt and talked with officers from the Worcester Police Traffic Division. The truck, heading south, overturned around 8:30 a.m. Crews from DeRenzo Towing offloaded the scrap, which was hauled away in 2 tractor trailers. The accident also damaged 2 utility poles. Traffic in the area was reopened about 1:30.